It's a C8 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2022 Chevrolet Corvette C8 convertible. A one-owner car, actual miles, just a little over 11,000 on it is all. No accidents indicated and nicely equipped. 3LT package, Z51 package. You'll be able to see the window sticker in with the still pictures. I'll hit on some of the highlights of this car as we walk around it. But in with the still pictures, you'll be able to see the window sticker, and I'll tell you how to check that out in just a little bit. Rapid blue, jet black interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Of course, the dual racing stripes, one of the options that you will see on the window sticker. All right, still pictures. Take your time looking through all the pictures of this car. You'll be able to see interior, engine bay, top up, top down, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Been looking for a C8? Give us a call. I don't think this one's going to stick around too long. All right, another option on this car will be the carbon flash painted nacelles, as well as the carbon flash painted wheels that you see. I believe 20s in the rear, 19s up front. This one also has the front lift adjustable height memory. And then with that Z51 package, of course, you get a bunch of different options in that with the suspension, the performance exhaust, what the rear Z51 spoiler. You're also going to get the electronic limited slip differential, the performance axle ratio, performance brakes. So big deal with that Z51 package, no doubt about it. And you can see the painted nacelles, of course, on the side, cove inlets, great looking color combination. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, check out the window sticker. We have a copy of it in with the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call with any questions, 507-386-1726. Again, clean Carfax, one owner car, just a little over 11,000 miles is all in this one. If you're into C8 Corvettes, or maybe just Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them that are featured are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, around the rear of the car, back down the driver's side, paint shows well in this car. There's no surprises. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may have a small imperfection, maybe just a slight pebble chip or something up front that I haven't noticed, but overall, this paint shows well. Car looks good. All right, let's move along the interior. Of course, you have all your standard features that you're going to have on a 2022 Stingray. Of course, your modern amenities from power windows, locks, mirrors. Convertible top is run over here on a switch also, as well as that rear window that can go up and down, as you can see here. And I'll show you the functioning of that top, the up and down of it, all automatic and power. We will also take this car for a quick drive. Jason's going to take it down the road, show how it drives out. I think we all know how that's going to go. So you would also have heads-up display, driver's information center, steering wheel controls, again, all your goodies that you're going to have on a 2022 Vet, and then some with the 3LT package, Z51 package. And like I said, it does have that front lift adjustable height memory too. So check out that window sticker. You want to see exactly how this is equipped. All right, so there's exact miles, 11,403. Of course, infotainment. Give me an idea how that performance exhaust sounds. Dash looks good. So those controls for that front height. Of course, the front camera for parking. Your driver modes. And of course, all your controls for HVAC, heat, and what have you. Give me an idea how it sounds at idle. Obviously quite a bit different with that performance exhaust going down the road and getting on the throttle. Alright, let me pause this a second, see what I can show you as far as the top going up and down. Maybe take a peek at the engine bay. Let me pause this a second, get it set up, and check a few more things out. Stick around to the very end for the driving video. Don't forget about that though. So there you can see how the top goes up. Pretty cool how it works, and I'm going to show you it going back down too, but I thought let's take a peek at it while we have it up. So black top, matching the nacelles, that black stripe. Again, good looking color combination. That rapid blue and the jet black interior and black highlights around this car. And top also in good shape, not full of scratches, nicks, chips, anything like that. And you can actually put the top down with the key fob. So let's see if I can get that to function. Maybe we can check it out a little closer. Take a look at that. Pretty cool. 2022 one owner, clean Carfax, 3LT Z51 package C8 Corvette. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Remember, copy that window sticker also. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving an exciting 2022 Chevrolet Corvette in a great blue color with some black accents. Probably one of the best colors for this car. Let's see how she does on the highway. And you're up to speed just like that. Plenty of power. Awesome exhaust note. Now I've got it in sport mode, but I do have it on D for automatic drive. You can go to manual with paddle shifter. We do have the top off today on this beautiful day in Minnesota. What can I say? This car is like new. Everything is looking good that I can see. You have electronic monitoring of anything you can imagine on the screen in front of you. stereo sounds amazing, like a concert. The seat hugs like a race seat. It's super comfortable. Bucket seating. Brakes are amazing, as is everything else. Handles, you know, what would you say? Like a brand new Corvette, which it is. You can pull some G's and not slide at all. I hope you get to hear that exhaust note. It is a fun car to drive. Find out more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.